Alright, so here's the mirror delete for my Cybertruck. Alright, you can see I already loosened it a bit, so it's coming out. They used an 11mm, whatever you call this, hex bolt or whatever, or 7/16 inch. Alright, and then they put a washer and one of those spring, whatever washers you call, that kind of help grip it better. Okay, so I'm going to undo these bolts, and hopefully it's not going to just fall in there because I only have one hand since I'm holding the thing to record. Okay, oh, I almost dropped the bolt. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And as you can see, it can like raise or lower. They put this little weather stripping there. We're going to have to see if I can find something that matches a bit more, because the weather stripping, it's a little bit small compared to the other thing. And also, since I didn't want to have this rubber piece cut, it has a piece sticking up, which I'll show you in a bit. Let me get this bolt off and then I'll show you. Okay, so once we got those two out, let me actually go on the other side of the door. Alright, so here you can see if you were to close it, you would have this kind of sticking up, which I can actually show you on the other side. Okay, so this one, it's like that. They actually did this one a little bit better. It's more flush. But yeah, see, they only have this small rubber weather stripping. So I don't know what I can do to make this match. Maybe 3D print some plastic piece and then have it like extend a little bit out on both sides here. We'll see. But then I'd have to coat it with some kind of black rubber coating to make it match. But this piece can be removed, and I can always put the side mirrors back. So I do need to pull this weather stripping out here because it's attached to the other side of there, and then we can lift this out, and there we go. You can see how they just welded it on there. Okay, and it's welded on both sides, so pretty easy to remove, pretty easy to put back. Was pretty pricey to have them make one of these. I'm not sure if they're gonna they gave me like some discount. I'll show the price. This, you're probably gonna be like, holy, that's a lot of money. It is a lot of money just to fill these holes, but we'll see. I don't know how much in the long run it's gonna get me back from the increased efficiency. The mirrors, pulling them out, didn't really change it too much, so we'll see. But anyways, maybe in the lifetime of the car I'll get back a little bit of it, or close to most of it. But also, I just think it looks cooler, and then we're gonna wrap it completely black. I'm gonna see though if I can make it a bit more flush, because when they wrap it you will see like the outline of this. So I'll see what I can do, if there's something I can do to kind of just fill that little gap, and then maybe that way it'll be completely flush. It won't look as nice, but once it's wrapped over you won't be able to see that at all. So I'm kind of thinking if it made sense for me to even do something like this, you could technically just probably put a piece of tape completely over this piece, and then if you're gonna wrap it, wrap that. But this will make it more durable, so if somebody were to like push on it, it's not gonna like flex or go through. So yeah. And then if you wanted to do something more simple, I guess you could always like just 3D print a piece of plastic if you make it thick enough, and then you can have it go through. You will have to take some measurements. They were taking a while doing like measurements for this. On this side it is like a little bit lower, so yeah, but it does work well to cover the hole. And as you saw on the other side, it'll just have this little gap. So this side they made it a bit more like flush, like level wise. On this one, like one side's a little bit higher and more flush than the other. Also, I think because they weld it, they use those little clamp things, so it made some little marks there. But yeah, once it's wrapped over, I think it should be okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Alright, and here you can see how much they charged me and the discount. Hopefully in the future, as they come up with a way to mass produce these, they'll be able to sell for a lot cheaper, and you guys won't have to pay crazy prices like this. Alright, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.